Okay, this is a quick. Do you guys see me? Is my head in frame?
No.
My head is. Okay.
Not
Here.
not really.
Wait, don't move
Don't
it.
touch it.
Yes.
All right. Now am I completely in frame?
Yes.
Okay. This is thank you to everybody. Say thank you to Donors Choose.
Thank you, Donors Choose.
And I'll also say thank you to Chevron.
Thank you, Chevron.
Chevron does a special thing with Donors Choose where they have like $1 million. If people fill up gas during a certain time and they reach $1 million, they will donate supplies to teachers on Donors Choose. So I have to be very grateful to Chevron because they just got us 10 ukuleles. So now I have a full set of 30 ukuleles that actually work easily and that are high quality, that don't fall out of tuning easily. I have 20 from last year, and now I have supposedly 10 more from this year. So these are 2 of those 10. They are the Mitchell Soprano ukulele, MU40NT. So that's box number 1. And here's another box. How many do you think is in this one?
4.
Really? You guys are that good at your math, huh? Because there's another box exactly the same size. They're anticipating that there should be 4 in here. Show me on your fingers how many you think. Do you really think 4? Do you think maybe they might have messed up and put 3 in one and 5 in another?
No.
Could happen.
Different types.
So it is a balanced production here. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. What else do you think they have in this box? Packaging. Very good.
Tuners.
You wish. Packaging. Now this is some weird packaging that I see that Woodwind Brass and Instruments Company. They always use this weird stuff, but it's pretty cool. That works. And the last one. I guess these could be really great for music. When we do the end of the year, you could make a boat out of this for walkthrough presentation. So I might save these after I flatten them. And we're almost there. Now, usually you see people that drag the razor blade all the way across. I don't do that. As long as you break it, the polymer chain is broken, and you just pull the rest of the way. That way you don't accidentally cut the things on the inside. But yet you see amateur box cutters always going bzzz, and then they end up cutting the products on the inside. Raise your hand if you've seen that before. And your parents always say, oh my gosh, the paper towels have a big old cut through them. I don't want that one. And it's because people are careless. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is cut one end and the whole thing falls apart. So, there you go. And 4 more. That's how they look in the box. So that is the initial unboxing. Oh my gosh, you know what? I just unboxed the boxes, but I didn't unbox a ukulele. So, here you go. The Mitchell Soprano ukulele MU40NT. This is what each one of those boxes looks like. Again, thank you to who?
Chevron.
And who else?
Donors Choose.
And so, empty box. There's no bag that comes in this. Now later on, they shipped this package without, they notified me by email, Woodwind Brass Company, online musical company, said that they were not going to send the cases till later because they didn't have the cases in stock. Now these will always come sounding like this, and then you just have to tune them. Alright boys and girls, you are needed for PE, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, and it comes with a nice little book too. This book is really good. It has all the some basic chords in there. So you could. Bye.
Can I say hello?
video bombing, you guys stepping around there is damaging the video.
Let's see about that.
Get out of here. Now I have a tuner right here. Adios, amigos.